Welcome to Cicada Close in Tewantin. We have a carport type area or a car spot down on the left hand side and another one on the right hand side, and we're just walking up to the main entrance. So at the main entrance we walk into the main lounge area, which leads out to the kitchen and the dining. We'll come back to that in a moment. We'll walk down to the hallway to the bedrooms. So we have bedroom 1, which can be a small bedroom or a office as it's been used at the moment. It has a wardrobe. We have some storage here. Come to bedroom 2. Also with wardrobe, and the master bedroom with the sliding doors for the wardrobe. The bathroom is dual purpose, so it's an ensuite. As well as a dual bathroom for the other bedrooms. So it has a double door, so turn back round. So there's a door there, and there's a door there for the master bedroom. So coming back out, coming back up the hallway, we have a separate toilet. And back up to the kitchen area. So a good sized kitchen. Has the pantry at the rear and a little breakfast bar. Leads on to the dining area, and to the side there's a door access to the fourth bedroom. Fourth bedroom has dual access to the outside, so there's one door there and one door to the right. The laundry is situated in the corner here. It's all plumbed out, and washing machines etc. there. The kitchen dining area, it leads out to the outdoor area. So it's 847 square meters of land, so it's a good sized block. Beautiful tropical garden. So I'll walk through here. Lovely for entertaining on a nice day like today. Another entertainment area here. So it's all designed for outdoor living. Big family, friends gathering table. And leads out to a little grassy area out to the side on the western side, and you have 2 garden sheds. You've got the first one there and the second garden shed there, and there's an access to where we come in the front. There's an access gate there. Alright, so if you wanted to put a pool in, that's not going to be a problem. Home is brick exterior, and you have an iron roof. Okay, so that completes our tour of 9 Cicada Close in Tewantin. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.